Hello, my friend, and welcome to 24/7 Talk English. Today is a very special lesson because we are starting English from zero. This lesson is for complete beginners, for people who cannot read English, cannot write English, and cannot speak English yet. Don't worry, don't feel shy. Everyone starts from zero. And today, you will take your first strong step. We will learn 20 simple daily English words, practice them slowly, repeat them clearly, and understand how to use them in real life. You don't need reading skills. You don't need grammar. You don't need difficult books. You only need your ears, your voice, and your courage. So relax, sit comfortably, breathe deeply, and learn with me step by step. This is your safe space to learn English slowly, clearly, and confidently. Let's begin with Category 1, Daily Life Words. Listen to each word, imagine it in your mind, and repeat after me. I will speak slowly. Water, food, home, phone, money, time, good, bad, easy, hard. Now repeat them again with me. Water, food, home, phone, money, time, good, bad, easy, hard. These are everyday words you hear everywhere. If you understand these, you can start talking with anyone. Now, let's practice these words in simple sentences. Listen and repeat. I want water. I need food. I am going home. I have a phone. I need money. I don't have time. This is good. This is bad. This is easy. This is hard. Very good. Simple English is powerful English. Now, let's learn Category 2, Action Words. These are words you do every day. Go, come, eat, drink, sit, stand, look, see, walk, stop. Now repeat with me slowly. Go, come, eat, drink, sit, stand, look, see, walk, stop. Excellent. Now let's practice using these action words in small sentences. I go now. I come later. I eat food. I drink water. I sit here. I stand up. Look here. I can see you. I walk slowly. Stop now. These simple sentences help you speak English without translating. Now, let's connect all the words we learned so far into a small story. This method helps your brain remember faster. Listen first. This morning, I woke up and drank water. I walked to my phone and checked the time. I went to the kitchen to eat food. The food was good, but the tea was a little hard to make. I looked outside and saw people walking. I slowly got ready and went to work. It was easy in the morning, but became hard later. After work, I came home, sat down, and relaxed. Now repeat the story with me. Slowly. This morning I woke up and drank water. I walked to my phone and checked the time. I went to the kitchen to eat food. The food was good. I looked outside and saw people walking. I slowly got ready and went to work. It was easy in the morning, but became hard later. After work, I came home, sat down, and relaxed. Great job! Your English is already improving. Now, let's practice a simple beginner conversation. I will say both sides. First listen, then repeat. Hello, how are you? I am good. I need water. Okay, here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Where are you going? I am going home. Okay, take care. You too. This small conversation teaches you real speaking. Now, let's practice beginner-level thinking. I will say a word. You think of a sentence in English. Only simple sentences. Food. You think, I eat food. Water. You think, I drink water. Home. You think, I go home. Phone. You think, I have a phone. Look. You think, look here. Beautiful. This is how English becomes natural. Now, let's finish with confidence sentences. Repeat after me. I can learn English. I am starting today. I am not afraid. I am improving step by step. I know simple English words now. I will keep learning. English is easy for me. I believe in myself. I speak with confidence. Every day I get better and better. You did an amazing job today. You learned your first words, first sentences, and your first English conversation. This is just the beginning. Come back tomorrow for your next step. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. See you in the next episode.